Hello everyone. So you can see my head's kind of flat because it's been stored in a bin for the last few days. But so I finally moved to my new house. I guess I could give a little walkthrough so you can all see how it is. It's a little smaller than the other one, so I'll just figure out where to put all my furniture, I guess. Speaking of which, it hasn't been delivered yet, so excuse the mess. But anyway, here's my new kitchen. It's a little more round than the other one, so it'll be a little easier to do some cooking videos. I don't have any utensils or anything, so I can't really do anything until I get the rest of my stuff. So until then, I'll just be making microwave dinners. Okay, where are we? La 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 la. We've got an entire room just for the laundry now, which I'm actually doing laundry, so it's kind of noisy. Ow. But I got my fancy washer and dryer that make music. They're pretty good so far. I like them. My other house came with the washer and dryer, so I didn't have to worry about buying them. I would have rather not had to buy my own washer and dryer, but whatever. So the living room is over here. By the way, this whole house is tile. That's kind of weird. I don't like that, but whatever. It's a little easier to clean, I guess. Even the bedroom's a tile. So here's one bedroom. There's nothing really in here, so ears. Yeah, it's just a square. But at least all the rooms have fans and stuff. The other house, only the master bedroom had fans. Here's the other room. Just another box. What happened? Okay. And then my bedroom, there's just clothes and stuff all over the floor. I don't really want to look through that. But there's my bed. I've been sleeping on sofa cushions for the past few days. Cry. But yeah, the bathrooms are nice. They all have LED lights, so they're nice and bright. Perfect for taking those late night photo shoots. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, ears. Pretty much it, other than the other bathroom, which is about the same. But that in the garage. It's only one car garage, so that's kind of small since I have two cars, but oh well, I'll figure it out. But yeah, this is the new house. So hopefully I will get my computer set up again, and then I can make videos again, which I have like 3 that I haven't finished, that I recorded, but I haven't been able to do anything with because I don't have my desktop. So until then, I guess I'll just hang out over here. So yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye.